Hello friends, welcome to our channel. From the title of this video, you must have already guessed what this video is about. So before getting to the unveiling, let's talk about why the transformation was needed. Our ride has three partners. That's me, my father, and most importantly, my Thumper. Our Thumper is a 1962 Royal Enfield, which is handed over to us by my grandfather. He had some special connection with the bike. In those days, we wondered what is it. But now we resonate. I will soon make a video how I got hooked on to riding. So, as you must have guessed, our Thumper is very dear to us. Our Thumper had a custom metallic blackish grey paint and a lot of chrome. We had this look for quite some time and thought the transformation should be something that preserves its legacy and also adds some convenience for us while riding for long hours. After speaking to a few garages, we stumbled on Vardanchi. These guys are great when it comes to body paint. So, with this background, let's get to unveiling.
Great, so help us unveil this. Come on, can we pull this off? Oh wow! Awesome!
This is a bike.
Great job. You wanted silent also here? Silent is also one of the magicians.
Yes, sir.
Let me just start this and see. Fantastic. This is what I like, that hard